Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about John's journey, a college student who, like many of us, faced the challenge of learning English. When John entered college, he quickly realized that his limited English skills were holding him back. He felt nervous about speaking in front of others, struggled with understanding lectures, and found it hard to express himself in writing. It seemed like a huge obstacle, and at first he wondered if he could ever overcome it. But instead of giving up, John made a promise to himself he would improve his English no matter how difficult it seemed. He knew it wouldn't be easy, but he was determined. His first step was simple. He started by reading small articles in English every day. At first, he didn't understand everything, but he didn't let that stop him. He looked up new words, learned their meanings, and slowly built up his vocabulary. Next, John decided to focus on listening and speaking. He began watching English movies and TV shows with subtitles, pausing to repeat sentence out loud. This was tough at first, but with time, he noticed that his understanding improved and he started recognizing common phrases and how they were used. He also practiced speaking with friends who were fluent in English, even though it was intimidating. Every day he would speak just a little more than the day before. Writing was another hurdle for John. He found that organizing his thoughts in English was hard and it took time to express even simple ideas. But once again, he approached it step by step. He began journaling in English, writing a few sentences each day about his thoughts, activities, or goals. Over time, those sentences became paragraphs and his confidence grew. The biggest challenge came when John realized that making mistakes was part of the process. Earlier, he used to be afraid of speaking or writing because he didn't want to sound wrong. But then he understood that learning a language is a journey and mistakes are a natural part of it. Instead of feeling embarrassed, he started seeing his mistakes as opportunities to learn and improve. With continuous practice, John's English skills grew stronger. His classmates and teachers noticed his progress, and more importantly, John felt more comfortable communicating in English. He participated in discussions, gave presentations, and even helped others who were learning the language. English, which once seemed like an impossible barrier, became a tool that opened new doors for him in college and beyond. John's story is a reminder that learning English or any language doesn't happen overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps every day. It's about being patient with yourself and understanding that progress takes time. So, if you are struggling with English, remember John's journey. Start small, whether it's reading a few pages, speaking a few sentences, or writing a short paragraph. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a chance to learn. With determination and daily practice, you will improve, and before you know it, you will be communicating in English with confidence. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you have got this.